Hi everyone, without wasting your crucial time, we are going into the main topic. In this video, I am going to show 50 top facts on Free Fire. Number 1. Garena was founded in 2009, but it was only in 2014 that the company set up its own studio to start developing gaming titles. This 5-year interval, however, was important for the company to understand the market demands. Number 2. Free Fire is a game popular for being able to run on even the most basic phones. Number 3. Free Fire was developed with the Unity graphics engine, a gaming creation platform from Unity technology. Number 3. Free Fire was developed with the Unity graphics engine, a gaming creation platform from Unity technologies. Number 4. Latin America is the region of the world where Battle Royale is the most popular. Number 5. Garena revealed that it has more than 300 developers on its team. Number 6. Free Fire introduced the famous Brazilian DJ Alok in the year 2009 as a character. Number 7. Garena produced a song with DJ Alok that became the theme of the Free Fire World Championship of that same year, the Free Fire World Series. Number 8. The game had a partnership with Joy Taslim, a martial artist and star actor. The game received the playable character. The character name is Jota. The Jota inspired by Joy himself. Number 9. One of the characters is a beautiful and talented singer. The singer name is Capella. But did you know that Capella just turned 22? A total of 450 million registered players in Free Fire game. Total 450 registered users are playing this game. Number 11. A total of 50 million peak daily active users on Free Fire game. Number 12. 270,000 fans showed their presence in the Free Fire World Series. Number 13. Free Fire recorded a whopping 270 million views on its live stream of the World Series on YouTube. Number 14. 13 million players watched Free Fire Pro League. 13 million players watched Free Fire Pro League Brazil 2019 on YouTube. 15. Number 15. Revenue of Garena Free Fire was nearly 19 million US dollar in first quarter of 2019. Number 17. Kalahari is a map adapted from one of locations in Africa, which is the Kalahari Desert. Number 18. There are 13 locations or 13 cities that you can find in map Kalahari in the Free Fire game. Number 19. As a desert area, Kalahari has so many hills that you can explore. This makes Kalahari in Free Fire has its own uniqueness. As we know that Purgatory and Bermuda are not have enough hills like this map. Number 20. Each match is 10 minutes in the game and 50 players land on island in the game, just like our 50 top facts on Free Fire. Number 20. Each and every match is 10 minutes in this game, and each and every match 50 players land on that island. Number 21. Free Fire was the most downloaded game in the year 2019, and the game was also awarded the best popular word game. Number 22. The character of this game also has special abilities with the help of which you can win. Number 23. Vietnamese game developer 111 Studio developed a Free Fire game. Game testing began in the year September 2017. The beta version. Number 24. The beta version of Free Fire was released on 20 November 2018, and the game was officially released. Number 24. The beta version of Free Fire was released on 20 November 2018, and the game was officially released. Free Fire has a rating of 4.1 on Google Play Store out of 5. Number 26. There are 24 characters in total in Garena Free Fire, and each of them has their own special ability. Number 27. Free Fire has a total of 3 maps to play in. Number 28. Bermuda is the oldest and the most played map in Free Fire. Number 29. Download size of Free Fire is 578 MB, nearly 578 MB. Number 30. Players can play solo, duo, and in squads. Number 31. Bike is the fastest vehicle in the Free Fire game. Number 32. The only vehicle that comes from airdrop is the monster truck. Number 33. M4A1 is the most used AR gun in Free Fire. Number 34. Airdrops mostly land in the middle of the safe zone. Number 35. AWM is the most powerful sniper in the game. Number 36. VSS is the only gun which comes with a pre-installed scope. Number 37. Groza is the best AR present in the game. Number 38. M247 is the gun with the biggest magazine capacity of 100 bullets. Don't forget this M247 gun in the game. Number 39. Airdrop can kill you if you are hit by one of them, so wait potentially until they land or it will cost your life. Last 10 top facts on Free Fire I am going to show. Number 40. One can see how many players are spectating him on the top right corner. Number 41. Landmine bombs are very good tactical equipment to kill enemies while going on defensive strategy or to get time to heal. Number 42. Smoke walls are very good to save one from getting run. Number 42. Smoke walls are very good to save one from getting run over by vehicles. Number 43. Grandmaster is the topmost rank in the game and the most prestigious too. Number 44. Purgatory map has zip lines which makes it very convenient to make movement in the zones. Number 45. One can eat mushrooms to increase their boost. Mushrooms are found in open green fields. Friends, you can eat mushrooms. This will be found you in open green fields. This is a very important fact that you need to remember while playing Free Fire. Number 46. One can purchase pet animals from the shops. These pets move with players during the match. Number 47. One cannot loot the clothes of Number 47. One cannot loot the clothes of killed animals from their loot crate. Number 48. Free Fire World Series 2020 has prize money worth is 1 crore. Number 49. The biggest scope in Free Fire is 4x. Number 49. The biggest scope in Free Fire is 4x scope. Number 50. It is the last and final fact in this Free Fire. No bullets can penetrate the fry pan. So it is very good to avoid bullets. If you enjoyed our top 50 facts on Free Fire, then read more articles on our channel. If you understand this topic in simple format, please do subscribe and click the bell icon.